so now that we're at this point, and let me show y'all what time it is. So now it is 2:16. So it didn't take too long to do this look. This is one that's real simple and basic. Like I said, I still picture myself as a beginner, so yeah. So I did go get my little lip bag. This has all of my different lippies in it. I don't know, I think I'm kind of feeling like a matte situation today, so let's see. Let's pick out some options here. That color is pretty, but I think I'm gonna go with, I think this one, let's see. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with this right here, this Lip Culture matte stick in the color Nude. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Looks like that there. Very pretty, like nude pink. And then of course, Chestnut pencil by MAC. Gots to. If you don't have it in your collection, you tripping, you slipping, you sleeping. Wake up. Alright, so we about to go in with the lip pencil. See the action. So I just go a little bit above the lip line. And a little up under this lip line. And then just do a little bit of shading with my lip pencil. Top and bottom lip. A little smudging. I feel like this is the base right here for a good lip combo, you know. Alright, then we just go in the middle area there and there. And I love these because they have like a coconut smell to them. Then you have to do your lips like you're chewing imaginary bubble gum. Go in one more time. I'm doing too much. Okay. Okay, but there we go, y'all. So this right here is the finished look. It's not doing too much. This is the final look. Y'all let me know down in the comments how we did, if we slayed it, barely made it, or what happened. Would you rock this look? Do y'all like it? Are y'all rocking with it? But let me know, y'all, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye.